Hello. We have done another Too Good to Go. We just popped out. Where did we go?
Went to Marks and Spencer's Simply by Milton Keynes Train Station.
And it was pretty good, wasn't it? There was quite a surprise. I mean, we went out last night as well, didn't we?
We did, yeah.
We did. We went bowling with the kids. Hollywood Bowls up in Milton Keynes. That's where we're from. And we also went to Sun Week, didn't we? Anyway, no. Don't tell them about the food. It was absolute shite.
Guys, what happened, right?
No. Do the food. Do that first.
So, just to let you know, this was $4.99. If you do go there, take a bag with you because they bring it out in a basket.
Yeah, Milton Keynes Station, yeah.
Milton Keynes Station, yeah.
Oh, that is lovely.
So,
what have we got?
First of all, we've got some scones.
Scones. But you know what? We've got nothing to go in them.
No, we haven't. But the good thing about it is the best before date is tomorrow.
Yeah, that's really good, isn't it?
That's pretty good.
But maybe you can go around the shop. We can do a posh cream tea or something like that.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, but they're right. What's the normal price? £2.40. Now, it's not something I'd pick up normally.
I mean, not often. I mean,
Not
I would
really.
sometimes.
They're for
but
posh people, aren't they? If you're posh, they're for you.
Is it?
We ain't posh.
Is it jam on first or cream on first?
I don't know, I like
Big
it.
debate.
Bit of cream first. Who knows? Right, there you go. They're all right.
Next up, we've got chicken fajita wrap.
Yeah, that's nice.
Pretty good. That one's today's
That's
date.
today's date, so one of the kids is going to have to eat that. Let's get close up.
That looks nice, doesn't it?
That's quite nice, yeah. And that was the original price. Was £4.50. So that's nearly the whole price
Of the bag.
of the whole bag.
Yeah.
Right, lovely. That's our next thing.
Next up, we've got a nutritious, nutty, super whole filled.
Now, do you like that?
Whole food.
Start again. Do you know what? I really like these.
You do like them,
Yeah, with
don't
all the
you?
bits and the carrots
I
and the
know.
seeds and all that. Like, I mean, it looks a bit scummy. And that's what it's meant to be like, isn't it?
Yeah,
But you know what? They're actually really, really nice. And I would pay full price for them. I have in the past.
they're not for me, but
No, they are lovely. What
Yeah.
was the original price of that? Oh, it doesn't say. Oh, it does say. That was $4.25. So that's pretty good, isn't it?
Is that today's date? Yeah, that's today's
That's today's date. I'll eat. Once I've had a couple of beers, I'll eat anything. To be shoving stuff into me gob.
You do anyway.
Yeah. What
Next.
have I eaten today?
Don't worry about what you've
I've
eaten today.
had a bacon sandwich this morning, and that was really, really nice. So I had another bacon sandwich, didn't I? Oh, God. Then we had peppered steak.
Yeah.
That was really nice. And then you made our little one some, not little one, he's 16 nearly. Then what did we? 14.
He is 14.
Who's 14? It's the other one that's nearly 16. And then you made them some pasta. There's a little bit left over, so I ate that as well. So I've got to eat half his food. That's
Right.
why I'm really fat. What else we got?
Next up, we've got Wafer-Thin Turkey breast, which is actually tomorrow's date as well.
Yeah, do you know what? I'm not sure anyone's going to eat that.
The dog will.
Yeah, but that's right. That's a good thing when you got a dog. Hello,
But
Dennis.
what's that?
Down there.
The original price is $3.30 for that,
Yeah, that's not bad, is it?
so that's pretty good.
That's really good. What
Next.
else we got? It says big bag.
Next up,
£4.50.
we've got a BLT, which is tomorrow's date as well.
Yum, yum. Yeah, original price, £4.50. So it's like, you buy one thing, you get 4 things free. 5 things free.
Yeah, it's
That's really good. So there's that. Really, really good. So again, the kids like them. Munch away.
And last but not least,
Wet your whistle.
we've got
Wet your whistle. Hang on.
Marks and Spencer's Prawn Poke Bowl. You like a poke?
You like a poke.
I like a poke. So
I've got longer arms than you. I'll show them.
that's that one.
So that's pretty good, isn't it?
What's the date? Is that today's date, that one?
That is.
That is today's.
That's also today's date.
But the price of that originally,
£6.50. So really, that's a really good selection of food, isn't it?
yeah.
You know, got that, got that, got that, got that. Oh, my pole's going to fall over. Got that, got them. Not too good.
$4.99.
$4.99.
You can't moan at
So,
that.
if anyone says, "Oh, I'm hungry, what's to eat?" we'll say, "Have a look in the fridge," and we've got all that. So overall, Marks and Spencer's, City Centre, Milton Keynes Train Station.
Simply, yeah. It's not in the train station. It's a little bit
It's, it's in the train station square, isn't it? Five Guys, what a pile of rubbish. Now, we first went there years and years ago, didn't me and you? We went to Leicester Square in London.
What, Five Guys?
It was Five Guys.
Was it?
That's the first time
Oh,
we
it
went.
was. Yeah.
That's the first time we went to Five Guys. And remember having that, it was all wrapped up in foil. And we walked back to the hotel, was eating them, weren't we? And that was just a soggy mess. And I weren't happy then, right? Come forward a few more years, I'm still not happy with it.
Do you know what, though, guys? Do you know what the mistake he did? He ordered a burger and just put mushrooms in it and put no sauce in it.
No. The way I see it is this,
Yeah,
right? No, stop. No.
Then,
Not be ripped off. Listen,
and then
you've got a screen like McDonald's, which is really slow. Right, you've got a screen. Click burger. Burger comes up. Double burger. Yum, yum.
Right.
It looks nice. In a picture, there's salad and everything in it.
No, but...
Listen, no, let me tell them.
No.
There's salad in the picture.
There is, because you can put salad in it.
Yeah, I know, but then it says, select your ingredients. Now, I thought I'd have the burger on the picture.
But that's all
So I thought I'd just have some mushrooms with that. Anyway, fast forward, 60 quid later, which was 4 burgers, 2 shakes.
And 1 chips.
And 1 chip, 60 quid. I get my burger, open it up, bite it dry.
Right, so let me just...
Absolute
rubbish. Whilst he
I won't say.
rants, let me just say, everyone in the world, apart from Terry, knows that you have to add your own ingredients to a
Yeah, but I didn't
Five
know
Guys
that. I
burger.
want what's in the picture.
Yeah, but you did know that because we've been before.
That's like buying a car online from, I don't know, Vauxhall. And when you get there, when you go to pick it up, they say, sorry, mate, didn't add the wheels.
Well, it's not, because everyone knows Five Guys, you
I
add...
don't know.
Well, you did know because you've been before.
Yeah, but no. Because before, we've ordered it online. Or you've gone up and done it.
Right, so
Right.
that's a Terry problem, by the
No,
way.
it's not. If it's in the picture, £10.75, bun, 2 burgers in it, is an absolute joke.
Because you didn't add anything else. By the way, I had 2 burgers with cheese, lettuce, tomato, ketchup, mustard,
But you really liked it,
onions.
didn't you?
It was lovely.
Yeah. You're sitting there waiting for the food, and you're going through the monkey nut box.
Oh, I was eating the nuts.
Eat them, yeah.
They're lovely.
Ketchup's good in there as well, though, isn't it?
Yes, Heinz.
Got Heinz ketchup, Heinz mayonnaise, but it isn't quite the high mayonnaise you know. I think it's a special cheaper version.
Well, I don't know because I don't eat
Yeah,
mayonnaise.
but overall, everyone liked it. I'm not going back. The prices are ridiculous.
we
The
would-
service is slow. The machine don't work.
We did want to go to German doner kebab, but because
Didn't want it. No. So one day we'll review the doner kebab, won't we?
Yeah, we'll go
I
to
can't
that.
speak.
Let's speak.
One day we will review German doner kebab.
That
We've had
is
that many
nice.
times. Fun. You had a good drink, didn't you? Bowling. Who won the bowling? Who won the bowling? Me.
Yeah, okay. I was third, don't worry.
I always win.
But
I'm not even trying to just throw the ball.
do you know what happened, guys, right? I went up
I'll
to
do
get
this.
a cocktail. I had the cherry bakewell, and they said to me, do you want to go large for $9.50?
Yeah.
So I thought, yeah, it'd be like, like the gin glasses. So I
Yeah,
thought,
but it's expanded. It was huge.
but it come out, it was like a fish bowl.
Yeah, actually, it's about that big. Actually, you can send me a picture and I'll put this video. It come up now. Here she is. She's greedy.
It was like, I had it all. It was lovely.
Yeah. So, overall, we had a good evening last
It
night.
was good, yeah.
Too Good to Go was pretty good. I'm
Yeah.
going to be stuffed later.
I think it's good.
Five Guys, don't go. Don't recommend it. End of the video. Bye.
Bye-bye.